Yeah, so we are equally very pleased to receive our brother here, Chelewa son, Governor Sonko. And I want to thank you because Governor Sonko went to the media, the social media, because he called me when I was in Dar es Salaam. He was equally concerned. Yeah, and then I told him, no, this is where I am. Kwa hivyo jameni kueneza uvumi namna hii, but it's also actually okay. Let them panic, walete propaganda namna hiyo, alafu inawaangukia vibaya sana. So ndio sababu they have earned this title of Kaongo. Honestly, come to think of it, that is living true to that, to their name. Kwa hivyo ni vizuri sana Governor naye aseme jambo, but before he does, I want to recognize our brothers from the Northeast. I had consultations at the party headquarters with our team from Garissa. Yeah. Ambassador Siad, I think I'll give him an opportunity to say something. Our teams from Garissa, Mandera, and Wajir, and also Marsabit and Isiolo, Northern Kenya. And so we had very good consultations on how to follow the example of Al-Kalau. Because we discovered in Northern Kenya, kwa mfano, wana hii tabia kusema all the voters, 80% of them wanataka usaidizi wakipiga kura. That's the first trick. Wanaulizana pale, wao watu usaidizi. Sasa yule rafiki yangu governor was running for Mandera West. His wife was actually an agent for him. Hiyo sasa akasema, wait, okay, leteni hapa, mnasema wale illiterate wasaidiwe. Ni trick. Alafu anapiga wa maagent wakiangalia. His wife kuona imetikiwa hizo pone, anasema wait a minute, I'm the agent. Akabebwa, akapelekwa, akilia, akipiga mayowe. Those things will never happen thanks to Kalau. Tutatunza na tutalinda kura zetu kila mahali.